Get a look at the weather. Speaking of nature and some hot weather today, over to you, Nate.
Indeed, very good morning to you, PK and Lisa. We'll start with a satellite picture where you can see Tropical Cyclone Penny. Yes, it's still a thing. It's now a Category 2 system. It's about to start curving back towards the Queensland coast, so we'll be talking about that next week. Meanwhile, thunderstorm activity through the north, the west and for parts of the east of the country. It's all thanks to a broad area of low pressure, some surface troughs and a lot of heat. Harder to pick up is this cold front moving through the south. Now that's combining with a trough further north, driving fresh and gusty northerlies from central Australia all the way down into the southeast and bringing the heat with it. And even gustier cool change is coming behind that. It's going to provide some relief, but the combination of heat and wind is increasing the fire danger. In fact, we've got severe conditions from WA across the southeast into Tasmania. Extreme fire danger for northern Victoria. Total fire bans are in place for parts of South Australia, most of Tasmania, and for all of Victoria today. Now up in Queensland, we've got some stormy weather continuing for northern parts of the state near the monsoon trough, mostly around the Torres Strait. We do have some showers for the east coast as well, far more likely around the central coast and the southern tropics. A couple of storms there too, and lots of heat through the interior may trigger the odd storm, particularly for the southwest. It's going to be fine if you're in Brisbane though, getting to 31. Unstable conditions over New South Wales mean more potential storms later, except in the south and the southwest. Clear skies there, but we'll likely see some raised dust as well as very hot maximums right through the interior. Sydney, you're getting to 29. Canberra staying fine as well, and it's hot, 37. Some temperatures are already rising in Victoria. We're up over 30 degrees at Swan Hill already, and the northerlies are causing that. The cool change later will bring some relief, but in the northwest, it's raised dust. We may see some storms around the change as well. Melbourne's going to be very hot, 42 degrees. Expect that afternoon cool change. We've also got warnings current for the south of the state, damaging winds gusting to 100 kilometres an hour as that change moves through. Now further south, Tasmania is staying hot too until some wet weather starts developing in the west. That'll happen this afternoon, moving into the south and the east this evening. We've also got some storms around for the central east too. Hobart, very hot and sunny, 36. Isolated morning storms in Australia's southwest will clear. We'll see more in the northeast later on, otherwise it's fine. Adelaide's quite a bit cooler today, 31. And in WA, 27 I should say. And in Western Australia, storms extend through the interior to the northern goldfields. We've also got some showers along western parts of the south coast. For Perth though, 25 degrees, staying sunny. And further north, it's only the south of the territory that's totally escaping the stormy weather. It's not escaping the heat though. For Darwin, it's a shower or two, probably a storm as well, 33. Now tomorrow, Lisa, the heat is going to retreat back up into the north as those cooler southerlies push further inland. We'll see some wet weather moving into Melbourne and Sydney, and there's a return to storms for Canberra and of course Darwin.
Thanks, Nate. I'm fascinated by that cool change. A drop of 20 degrees predicted in the space of an hour. In Queensland, when it gets hot, it just stays hot for days. Anyway, next on the program this morning...